front of me is BLACKVIEW A80S, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and hitting Photos or Collections at the bottom. Either way, when you find all of your pictures to get rid of, hold one of them and use those icons at the top right corner to select multiple. Now tap on the ones you wish to keep, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the top of Collections section or at the bottom of Photos one. Then choose Move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!